G'day, here's a few pieces of beginner grade Boulder Opal from central Queensland. Rules in millimetres, the material's been wetted to help highlight the colours. You can see here. I'll zoom in. Okay, I've just gone in a bit closer. A couple of these pieces I've just thrown in. This piece holds a little bit of promise in that it's got a couple of seams running down here. Might be coming out there. Won't know until you cut the side off a little bit more. Maybe save that as a little stone. Cut a bit off. This large piece. It's got a lot of opal potch on it there. That's one side. Seam goes through here by the looks. Another bit on the end. That's the back of it there. Here's a veined piece of opal. Slice that, or you could chase this seam there, or just slice it and have pattern. Picture type stone. Another seam in the back there. But it's reasonably straight, so it might cut a stone without having to use a Dremel. This is just got a fine seam in the centre there. Hard to know if it goes through or not. It says it's been broken off the larger stone. A little piece of yellow nut. Nice pattern. Seeing that bit. This piece has got a nice band of colour through the middle there. Another piece. Grind that off and get a bigger face. That's right. You can see there it's running through. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed looking at those. Cheers.